Welcome. After showing the first images of the distinctively styled 2025 Kia K4 compact sedan, Kia is now revealing a lot more about this replacement for the Forte. The new K4 is a bit larger than its predecessor, offers new features, and comes with mostly carryover powertrains. The lower trims have the same powertrain as the Forte, a 147 horsepower 2.0-litre inline-four and a continuously variable automatic transmission. The GT line turbo comes with a turbocharged 1.6-litre inline-four like the old for a GT, but this combination is slightly different in the K4 here. It makes 190 horsepower, a drop of 11 horsepower, compared with before. The sedan also swaps the previous 6-speed manual and S-speed dual-clutch automatic transmissions for a conventional torque converter, 8-speed automatic. The K4 measures 185.46, 18 in wide increases of nearly 3 in length and 2 in width compared with the Forte. Kia says this provides more rear leg room. Thanks for watching.